In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a private channel public in Slack, allowing more people to join your channel. This is a super useful feature if you're looking to open up discussions to a wider audience within your workspace. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Slack workspace and locate the private channel you wish to make public. You'll find your channels listed on the sidebar on the left. Once you've selected the channel, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the three-dot icon, which is the More Actions menu. Click on it to pull up a list of options. After you've clicked on More Actions, you'll want to select the Edit Settings option from the drop-down menu. This will direct you to a new settings page specifically for your chosen channel. You might notice that Slack's user interface is designed to help you find these settings easily, but if you're not seeing this right away, just double check that you're in the correct channel. Once you're on the settings page, locate the Settings tab. Clicking this will provide you with a range of options that you can adjust for the channel. Here under the settings options, you'll see the method to transform your channel's visibility. Now look for the option that says change to a public channel. When you click on this, Slack will prompt you with a confirmation message. This is just to ensure that you're certain about making the channel public, as this change cannot be reversed back to private. Keep in mind that anyone in your workspace will be able to join once it's a public channel, so make sure this is what you want before you proceed. After you've clicked on Change to a Public Channel, a final confirmation button will appear. Click on Change to Public to officially complete the process. Slack will then update your channel settings and you'll be all set. For those of you who are managing large teams or need the discussion to be more inclusive, making a channel public can enhance collaboration and transparency across projects. It's important to remember that all members will now have access to the content previously discussed in private, so always take a moment to consider your decision carefully. And there you have it. You've successfully made your Slack channel public, opening the floor to broader collaboration. With just a few clicks, your channel is now ready to welcome more participants into the conversation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your Slack workspace. Thanks for watching.